Before you begin, can you just let everyone know your unique schedule in this program?
Yeah, okay, so I was a little bit busier early in the summer, so I was able to actually, instead of coming for six weeks, half day, I actually came for 2 weeks, both morning session and afternoon session. It was really intense, but it was actually really cool and fun and like a great experience. Okay, so for my starter project, I made a two lens 35mm camera. It's the one lens is for the viewfinder on top, and the bottom lens is for the actual camera. It was really cool because it was all mechanical, and I also really like photography, and I think that's really cool. So it was really fun to make something that I was really excited about. And also, sometimes the instructions weren't that clear, so it was cool to like kind of figure it out on my own. Yeah. Okay. So my main project is an EKG oscilloscope.
Yes.
I can't get it because I'm like attached.
That's cool.
It's an EKG heart rate monitor. So I have electrodes on me right now, and it basically it takes the voltage signal from the electrodes of my pumping heart, and it sends that signal through my circuit. And when the voltage signal goes through the circuit, my LED blinks. And here, let me show you. It sends a voltage. So when the voltage signal goes through, it's telling me I'm dead right now.
Flatlining.
Okay, so the LED flashes when my heart rate, when the voltage signal goes through the circuit, and I programmed Arduino Uno to send a message to the speaker to beep every time the voltage signal gets sent through the circuit. I also programmed this LCD liquid crystal display board to be able to calculate my heart rate and display it on the board and tell me whether I'm dead or alive. So I'm gonna hook it. It's a little iffy. So that's my heart rate. It's a little high right now because I'm nervous. But so I'm gonna hook it up to the oscilloscope, and that will kind of show, you'll be able to see the actual voltage signal. It's pretty cool. This was really cool because it had, sorry, I can't really talk when I do this because it doesn't, sorry. So basically, it shows my heart rate, and it was really cool because in the past I'd always been kind of focused on sustainable energy and like kind of working with that, but then this is kind of like working with the body, and the body isn't so mechanical. It's very, sometimes it can be kind of unreliable. Like sometimes it'll pick up my muscle movements, or when I breathe it'll move a little bit faster. So it was really cool kind of to like see kind of the biomedical like engineering side of things, and it kind of opened me up to that, which is cool. So yeah, that's okay, but basically, yeah. Okay, I'm gonna turn this off now. But, so it was really cool because I got to work with, like, my own body, I got to see it, how I could, like, kind of use electronics to regulate, or observe, like, other humans, myself, and that was, like, a really cool prospect to me. And it's something that I hadn't really been like exposed to before. So that was really awesome and interesting. But it also caused some difficulties, as I said, because it is kind of unreliable. And some challenges I faced was with the circuitry. It was a little hard. Sometimes the connections were loose, but in the process, even through the like challenges, I did learn a lot about circuitry and how circuits work and voltage and how circuits can respond to different voltages and what you do to them, which was really cool. And yeah, well, that's it. Thank you.
What was it like building an EKG in like 8 days? Like what did you know going in, and then
Okay.
what did you learn on the way?
Yeah, I mean, I'd always seen like another thing is that most EKGs have 10 electrodes or sensors to sense the heart rate, but I only have 2 on my body right now. So ideally I would add more, but I'm not really sure how to do that at this point. So if I were to improve my project, I would probably add some more electrodes to make it more accurate, so it wouldn't be as iffy all the time. But I'm sorry, I forgot the question. What was it?
So, what's it like to build an EKG in 8 days?
Okay, 8 days. It was really intense, and it was like all day. Like I got here and I kind of like didn't stop until like 5 o'clock. And it was really cool because it really made me kind of like focus, but it was also kind of hard because it was frustrating, and I was here all day and like I didn't really get that much of a break, but it was actually really cool because I realized that despite that, like I have enough interest in this subject to actually keep my interest going and be persistent, and I realized actually how much I like engineering and this whole process in general, which I thought was really cool. And I realized actually it was good to have a day because that's what you're going to be doing career-wise. Like you're going to be spending a whole day on it. So like it was kind of cool. Like that's, if I want to go in this field, like this is what I'm going to be experiencing almost. So that was pretty cool too. Yeah.
Other questions?
So like, having built an EKG, when you actually go use a real EKG now, does it kind of like remove some of the magic of it? Now that you know how to build it?
Yeah, probably. Like, it's kind of crazy to me to like be able to interact with electronics. Like your body is able to interact with electronics. It's able to understand you in a certain way, and it's really cool that I now like kind of understand their relationship and how. Yeah. Next time. if I ever get an EKG, I'll be like, I know how to do this. This isn't, doctor, I can do your job, like. But yeah, so yeah, it was really cool, and it was also it was cool because actually medicine is something I'm kind of interested in, and combining those two things was awesome. Like, it was really awesome, and yeah, it like showed me a way I could help people, but also combine like my engineering interests in science and circuitry and mechanical aspects. So that was like awesome, and it was a really cool experience. So yeah.
Thank you.
And finally, we'll have Susanna Didmark.